What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackouttinting, and it's Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's going on in the shop. Today we're going to start in the parking lot with this thing. This is a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is the Rolls-Royce SUV named after the largest gem quality diamond ever mined. Very cool car. This thing is huge. It's tough to get it into perspective how big it is. You see the Spirit of Ecstasy pop up on the hood. We're going to do a full video on this thing, so make sure you subscribe so you can check that out. Suicide doors in the back. Absolutely gorgeous interior. This thing is brand new. It's here for a full XPEL paint protection film wrap and a ceramic coating. There's Dean's car. If you forget, we also tint buildings for privacy, heat rejection, all that good stuff. UV protection in your home. We've got a Super Duty Tremor, and this one got paint protection film on the whole front end and window tint all the way around with XPEL XR Plus. It's a super high heat rejection film. That one we're just waiting on some letter inserts to show up so we can put those in the Super Duty on the hood. Then it's ready to go home. Down here we've got Patrick's rental Cadillac because his truck's still broken. And this is Jimmy's show car. He won his court case, so he's not going to prison today for his inspection, so that's nice. He got it inspected, everything's fine. We've got a Toyota Highlander, I believe that's what that is. Got a remote start system installed this morning. This F-150 is just getting some decals removed. The owner doesn't like the EcoBoost badges or the STX graphics on the side, so we're gonna take those off of there. And there's Blake eating lunch. We've got a Tesla Model 3. This one was in an accident or something happened to the front bumper, so we had to rewrap the front bumper after paint. So that got done, just waiting to get into the wash bay to get cleaned up and go home. So if you follow us on here and Facebook and Instagram and you have TikTok, apparently we have one of those now.
Oh yeah. Gotta get some sizzling action. You smell it.
Find us there. I'm not sure how to do that, but you TikTokers probably do know how to do that. In the tint bay, we've got a Dodge Ram with no bed, but it's here for window tint. Terrell, I think, is just finishing that one up. He's got headphones on, so he's not listening to me. Over here, we've got a Cadillac Escalade. And Jimmy, sorry guys, it's loud in here today. Jimmy is currently doing a paint correction on this, and now it's not loud. That's nice. We did paint protection film on the whole front end. It's ready to go in that sense. He's correcting the paint, and we're gonna have a video showing you why you don't need to paint correct a car before you put paint protection film on it. You do before ceramic coating, but not before film. Right over here, we've got an F-150. This is here for a full detail. I don't know what year this is. Early 2000s, I think, 2005 or so. It came in really dirty. The exterior cleaned up really nice, so we're about to do the interior. We do full service detailing every day, all day. We've got stuff in here getting cleaned up. Over here's a Denali, and this one also was here for a detail. It's ready to go home. And on the lift, we've got a Porsche Macan GTS. This is one of the exclusive series from Porsche. So very custom interior. It's red with black inserts. Usually these are all red, so it looks really, really good. This got a full paint protection film wrap. It's getting an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. It's getting the windows tinted as well. So it's ready to go over to the tint bay. Last but not least, we've got Marshall. He's installing another remote start system today. Four remote starts today. If you still go to a cold car, it's your own fault. Call us.
Stupid idiots. I could fix it for you if you just show up. What's wrong with you? Get in here.
Get in here. And that's all we have going on at the shop this week. Lots of stuff, staying crazy busy. Give us a call if you have anything you need protected, tinted, ceramic coated, whatever. You know where to find us. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, and we will see you next week.
The internet is making a new internet.
Al Gore?
Yeah. Because he was tired of how much
Email, what else he create? The ozone?
Homo sapiens.
Yeah.
No, I was thinking Homo sapiens. That's what it was. The color white didn't exist before Al Gore. Let's see what else. The moon, he put that there. Al Gore's in charge of the moon. Sometimes he vacations there, you know. normal stuff.